Hi there everyone. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to leave, well, it's a driving test tips for leaving from behind a parked car. So actually the car is parallel parked and now we're leaving. So pretend you're on a test, you just finished parallel parking and now the examiner wants you to leave. So he says, okay, let's go. So you get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selector to reverse. So even though you know for sure that you have enough space, it's always better to back up for a little bit. So check as you back up so you actually have more space. And place the gear selector to drive, signal to the left. Now, when you're leaving, if you really have a lot of space, there's no need to be turning your steering wheel all the way to the left. Because you could do that, and then you hit the gas a little bit harder than you should. You're not going to hit that car. No way. But your car is going to go way out into the road. And if you're not checking properly and a car is coming this way, they'll just smash into you. And I've seen that happen. Okay, so I just backed up. I have enough room. I'm in drive. All I have to do is check around, make sure it's okay to leave, give a little gas. Oh, one revolution in this case to the left, and then I drive away. So I could actually do a 3/4 revolution. It would still be good because I had enough space out front. Okay, it's a very foggy morning, lots of snow on the road. Okay, right turn at the stop sign. No, there's no darn stop sign here. I just made a right turn. There was no stop sign there. Okay, I'm seeing doubles now. The winter is getting to my head. Right turn at this stop sign. Signal to the right. There's no white line or crosswalk. So I stop at the stop sign. Check to the left. I can't see very much, but I start creeping up slowly and check to the right also, and it's good. Now I can go. Love driving in the snow. Now I'm gonna brake hard and see if my car is gonna slide. It's a stop sign. I'm gonna test my braking. Boom. You hear that grumpy sound? Yes, that's my DSC working. By the way, in winter it's best to have the ESC off. Right now it's on. I'm sure you can see the button right here. I'm just gonna press this, and then in the dash it says ESC off. That means I'll have better traction driving in under slippery conditions, such as now driving in the snow. Well, it's snow and ice. So remember, your ESC, when it's off, you get better traction. Okay, let's do a right turn to at the stop sign here, and we hug the curb all the way over to where the crosswalk would be. Check. Wow, it's foggy. I can't even see. Maybe 50 feet down the road. Okay, it's clear. Okay. Alright, next street it's a left turn. And there's a car approaching. You can barely see the car because it's so foggy. Check the left shoulder before I turn and make my left turn. Now the stop sign ahead, it's a stop sign. You can barely see the stop sign from here. Oh, the sun is coming out. Left turn, and you have the stop sign here, and it's a 1, 2, 3-way stop sign. I'm stopping before the sidewalk. I'm first, so I go. Okay. next street down, it's a right turn. Signal right, check my mirror and my right shoulder. Make my turn and recover. And remember, this is how you drive 9 and 3 position, holding the steering wheel. Wow, it's foggy. I can't even see the next street. Anyway, I'm making a left at the next street, and this will conclude this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.